Hello students, welcome to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid channel. I am Veena teacher teaching you 4th standard maths. What we have studied in our last session students? Yes, we have started our 3rd chapter multiplication and we have solved in our last session exercise 3.3. Okay, now we will start our exercise 3.4. Okay, see, open the page number 41, exercise 3.4. A question. What is the A question? Multiply. Okay. Now we will solve one by one. I'll write your first question. What that given? Instead of I'll directly see. First, what you have to do? Draw one place value chart with the place values ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. Okay, and leave 3 boxes for the carry over. Why 3 boxes? Because we are taking multiply by 3-digit number. So after leaving 3 digit, start writing your number. The number is 457. Okay. And we have to multiply 764. Okay, this is the question. Understood? Now we will solve step by step. First, what is the first step? To solve the multiplication, you have to start from ones place. Okay, what is there on ones place? 4. We have to multiply 4 with 7, 5 and 4, or else what you can say, we have to multiply 457 multiplied by 4. So we will get one product of this multiplication. Now we will start. 4 sevens are, tell me, for this you should know the table by heart. You should know perfect tables till 10, at least till 10s you should know the perfect. Means you know the tables, but you should know quickly tables. Like if I ask 6 6s are, immediately 36, 5 5s are 25. Like this immediately you should know. So try to learn quick tables. So now tell me, 4 sevens are, yes, 28. So what we will do? We will write 8 on ones place and 2 we will carry over to the tens place. Okay. You can give small circle. Okay. Now next. Now 4 5s are 20. 20 plus 2 we have to do a carry over. Now tell me, 20 plus 2 is 22. So what we will do? We will write 2 on tens place. Again 2 we will carry to hundreds place. Okay. Now the next. 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 2. See, 16 plus 2. 6 plus 2 is 8. 1 has it is. What is the answer? 18. 8 on hundreds place and 1 is on thousands place. Now what we have done? 457 multiplied by 4. This is the answer. Now we have to do the multiplication of tens place. What is there on tens place? 6. Isn't it? 6 means 6 tens means 60. So in that case, now what we have to multiply? 457 multiplied by 60. So here what we can do? Now 6 we are doing the 6th place, means tens place. So we should start from tens place. So for that ones place you should put 1 0. Now you can start with the 6 only from tens place. Okay, now we will start. 6 sevens are, yes, 6 sevens are 42. Okay, so 2 is here and 4 will carry to tens place. Now what I'll do here? Now I will cross this 2. Why? When you will count again carry over, you should not be confused. Which number you should count? 2, whether we should add 2 or 4. So that's why whenever you are writing next carry over, before that you should cross the previous carry over. Okay. Now I have written. Now 6 5s are 30. 30 plus 4. Do the rough work. 30 plus 4. 0 plus 4 is 4. 3 has it is 34. Now here I will write 4 and 3 will be carry over. Now before going carry, I will cross the previous number. Now 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 3. See, 24 plus 3. 4 plus 3 is 7 and 2. 27. So 7 will come on thousands place and 2 will go on 10,000s place. Here we have completed the multiplication of 457 multiplied by 6 tens, or you can say 60. Got it? Now we will go to the hundreds place. What is there on hundreds place? 700. So now we have to multiply 457 multiplied by 700. Now we are doing the hundreds place multiplication. So in that case, whenever you do the hundreds place multiplication, you have to start writing the answer product from hundreds place only. So put zeros at ones place and tens place. Now you can start. Now 7 sevens are 49. So write here 9. Ones place we have done. So carry will go to the tens place. So after writing this, cut previous one, carry over. Now 7 5s are 35. 35 plus 4. 35 plus 4. 5 plus 4 is 9. 3 has it is 39. So 9 we will write on thousands place and 3 will go to hundreds place. So cut previous one, carry over. Now next 7 4s are, tell me, 28. 28 plus 3. Do the addition. 28 plus 3. 8 plus 3, 11. Carry 1. 2 plus 1, 3. 31. Now here I will write 1. Here I will write 3. Now what we have to do? Now we got the product of ones, tens and 100. Okay. This 1828 is what? 457 multiplied by 4 is this product. 457 multiplied by 60 is this product. 457 multiplied by 700 is this product. Now when we will add this two product together, we will get the final answer of 457 multiplied by 764. Now we will do the addition. 8 plus 0, 8. 8 plus 0, 8 only. Okay. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 0, 4. Now 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 9, tell me, 21. So write here 1 and 2 will be carry over. Now 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 7 is 10. 10 plus 9 is 19. 9 here, 1 will be carry. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4 and 3 as it is. So what is the answer? See here. Okay. What I will do? I will write here answer. You have to write downside. It is not visible. So I am writing on the top. Give comma after 3 digit, 2 digit. What is the answer? 3,49,148. Understood? Clear? Is it clear, students? Very easy. Now what you will do? You have to draw columns with the pencil. Okay? Is it clear? Draw the columns with the pencils. Give the place values. Write proper number and do solve step by step properly. Okay? Now we will move to the next question. Now I will solve 8th one question for you. Okay? What is the 8th one question? 920. 920 multiplied by 460. See, purposely I am taking where 0 is there. Okay. See, do you remember we have studied about special case of 0 in multiple? See, we can skip. Where there is a 0 in the multiplier, you can leave out one step, isn't it? See, this is what multiplicand, this is what multiplier. So where there is a 0 in multiplier, you can skip that step. So what will happen? Now once we will start the multiplication with this ones place, 0 is there. It doesn't matter where 0 is coming, but if it is coming in the multiplier, we can skip that. How? See, 0 multiplied by 0, 0. 0 2s are 0. 0 9s are 0. Sorry, 0 only will come. See, now in all place 0 only will come. Now if we write next number, if we add anything in the 0, we get as it is number. So there is no value of 0 in this. So in this way, what we can do here, we can skip this step, isn't it? But in this case, you have to keep in your mind properly. What is that? You will commit mistake here. What you will do? See, what mistake will happen with you now? See, ones place we are skipping. So we are starting with the tens place. Now we have to multiply 920 multiplied by 6 tens, means 60. So now we are doing the multiplication of tens place. So do you remember, whenever we are doing the multiplication of tens place, we should write answer from tens place only. So what we will do on unit place? We have to put 1 0. So if you will start 6 zeros are 0, 6 twos are 12, everything if you will do correct, then no value. Full question is wrong. So keep in your mind, whenever you are skipping, if suppose 0 is here, so you should, whenever you are doing hundreds place, without forgetting, you should leave those many spaces like ones place, tens place. Now here we have not done any step of ones place, but now we are doing the tens place. Okay, so we will give 1 0 at ones place and we will start writing from tens place. Now 6 zeros are 0, 6 twos are 12. So I will write 2 here, 1 will be carry. 6 nines are, tell me, 54. 54 plus 1. Tell me 54 plus 1. Very easy. 55. So I'll write here 55. Okay. Now next, hundreds place. What is there on hundreds place? 4. So now we have to multiply 920 multiplied by 400. So hundreds place means place 2 zeros at ones and tens place and start writing answer from hundreds place. Now 4 zeros are 0, 4 twos are 8, 4 nines are, tell me, 36. So write here 6 and 3, 36. Are you getting? Okay. Now here we got two product. Why two product came? Because in multiplier 0 came. Okay. So whenever where there is a 0 in multiplier, we can skip that step. So we have skipped in this question. Now directly we will do the addition of this number. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 2 plus 0 is 2. 5 plus 8, tell me, count everyone, 13. So write here 3 and 1 will be carry over. 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 plus 6 is 12. 2 here 1 will be carry. 1 plus 3 is 4. So what is the answer here? See, 4, 2, 3, 2, 0, 0. So give the comma after 3 digit, after 2 digit. 4,23,200. When we multiply 420 multiplied by 460, we get the product 4,23,200. Is it clear, students? Easy now? Yes, very easy. Now we will move to the next question. Now I will solve ninth one question for you. What is the ninth one? 600 and 32 multiplied by 141. Okay, this is the question. Now I will place these numbers in place value chart. 3 digits, so leave 3 boxes for the carry, then write from 600's place 632 multiplied by 141. Now we will do the multiplication step by step. Now we will start from 1's place. What is there on 1's place? 1. Now we have to multiply 632 multiplied by 1, isn't it? Now we will start. 1 2s are 2, 1 3s are 3, 1 6s are 6. Okay. Now 10's place. So whenever you are doing 10's place, start writing from 10's. So here nothing is there, means we have to put 1 0. Okay. Now 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 2 here 1 will be carry. Now 4 6s are, tell me, 24, 24 plus 1, 25. Okay. Now 100's place. Now 100's place means start writing from 100's place only. So put 0 at 1's and 10's. Now 1 2s are 2, 1 3s are 3, 1 6s are 6. Okay. Now we got the 3 products. Now we will add these 3 products together. We will do the addition. Now tell me, 2 plus 0 is 2, 3 plus 8 is 11. 1 right here, 1 will be carry. 1 plus 6 is 7, 7 plus 2 is 9, 9 plus 2 is 11. So right here 1, 1 will be carry over. 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 plus 3 is 9. Now 2 plus 6 is 8. So what is the answer here? 89,112. Got it? Is it clear? Very simple. Okay. Now last one more sum I will solve for you. Twelfth one. 239 multiplied by 150. Okay. Now 239, I'll leave 3 boxes for the carry because 3 digit multiplication we are doing. After leaving 3 boxes, I'll start writing from 100's place. 239 multiplied by 150. One more sum I am taking of 0 came in multiplier. Okay. Now we will solve. Now see. Here what I'll do in this case, I'll take 0 product also. Okay. What will happen? Now you will see. Now 0 multiplied by 9, 0 only. 0 3s are 0, 0 2s are 0. Now we will start the multiplication of 10's place. What is there on 10's place? 5. 5 tens. Now we have to multiply 239 multiplied by 5 tens. So put 1 0 at once and start writing from 10's place. Because we are doing the 10's place multiplication. 5 9s are, tell me, 45. So write here 5 and 4 will be carry to the 10's place. Now 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 4. Tell me, 5 plus 4 is 9. 1 as it is 19. So write here 9 and 1 will be carry. Now 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 1. Very simple. 11. So write 11. So now next, 100's place. What is there on 100's place? 1. So whenever you multiply with any number to 1, we get the number itself, means 239 multiplied by 1 is 239 only, but we are doing the hundreds place, so put 2 zeros at the hundreds place and on ones and tens place, and start writing answer from hundreds place. 1 nines are 9, 1 threes are 3, 1 twos are 2. Now we got 3 products. Now we will add these 3 products together. 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 5, 5. 5 plus 0, 5 only. 0 plus 9 is 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. 1 will be carry over. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 3 is 5. 1 plus 2 is 3. What is the answer? 35,850. Understood? Clear till here? Yes, very simple. Now we will move to the next question. Now question number B, same exercise 3.4. What is the B question? Find the products. Products means nothing but answer. Which products we have to find out? Question they are given. 430 multiplied by 456. Product we have to find out. So make one chart of the place value chart. Place the numbers in the place value chart. See 3 digit is there, so leave 3 boxes for the carry and start writing the number from hundreds place. 430. I'll start writing here. 430 multiplied by 456. Now see 0 came in multiplicand. So whenever 0 comes in multiplicand, we should not skip any step. If it comes in multiplier, we can skip. Now we will see. Now first step, do the multiplication of ones place to the multiplicand. Now what is there on multiplier? 6. 6 zeros are 0. 6 threes are 18. Right here 8. 1 will be carry over to the hundreds place. Now 6 fours are, yes, 24. 24 plus 1, 25. Now we have to do the tens place. Now what we have to do? 430 multiplied by 50 or 5 tens. So whenever you are doing with the 50, instead of 50, what we are doing here? We are giving 1 0 first on ones place. So 50 0 we had given here. So 5 remain. Now 5 zeros are 0. 5 threes are 15. 1 will be carry. Now what I am doing? I am just crossing the previous one carry over. So it will not make you confused to count the carry. Now 5 fours are 20. 20 plus 1 is 21. Now hundreds place. 430 multiplied by 400. In 400 how many zeros are there? 2 zeros. So first only place 2 zeros at ones and tens. Now what is remaining? 4. Now multiply with the 4. 4 zeros are 0. 4 threes are, yes, 12. So write here 2 and 1 will go to the next place carry. So before giving that, cross this previous one. Now 4 fours are 16. 16 plus 1, 17. Okay. In this way we got 3 products. Now what we will do? We will add these 3 products together. Okay. To find out the final product. 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. 8 plus 0 plus 0 is 8. 5 plus 5 is 10. 1 will be carry over. 2 plus 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. Now 2 plus 7 is 9 and 1 as it is. So what is the answer? 1,96,080. This is the product. Understood? Clear? Now I will solve one more question. Now fourth one I will solve. Okay, what is the question? 837 multiplied by 478. Now draw a nice place value chart to do the multiplication and write the number from hundreds place by leaving 3 boxes for the carryover. 837 multiplied by 478. Okay. Now we will start from ones place. What is there on ones place? 8. 8 sevens are 56. Write here 6. 5 will be carryover. Now 8 threes are 24. 24 plus 5. Do the addition. 9 and 2. So write here 9 and 2 will be carry. 8 eights are 64. 64 plus 2. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 has it. 66. Now we have done with the ones place multiplication. Now we will go with the tens place multiplication. So whenever we are doing tens place 1 0 to the ones place. Now 7 sevens are 49. So write 9 on tens place and 4 carry to the tens place. So before carry, cut previous carry. Now 7 threes are 21. 21 plus 4. 1 plus 4 is 5. 2 has it is 25. So write here 5 and 2 will be carry over and cross the previous one. Now 7 eights are 56. 56 plus how many? 2. 6 plus 2 is 8. 5 has it is 58. Now hundreds place. So whenever you are doing with the hundreds place multiplication, place 0 at ones and tens and start writing answer from hundreds place. Now 4 sevens are 28. So write 8 and 2 will carry to tens place and cross the previous one. Now 4 threes are 12. 12 plus 2. See, 12 plus 2 is 14. So write here 4 and 1 will carry and cross the previous one. Now 4 eights are 32. 32 plus 1 is 33. Now we will add these 3 numbers together. Okay. 6 plus 0 plus 0 is 6. 9 plus 9 is 18. 18 plus 0 is 18 only and 1 will carry. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 5 is 12. 12 plus 8 is 20. Write 0 here and 2 will carry. 2 plus 6 is 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 plus 4 is 20. So write 0 here and 2 will carry. 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. So place 0 here and 1 will carry. Now 1 plus 3 is 4. What is the answer here? 4,86,000. Understood? Clear till here? In this way, here we have completed our exercise 3.4. Question number A is multiply and question number B is find the product. I have solved some questions. Now remaining sums are very easy. Now you have to solve by your own. Practice it today itself in your rub book. Okay. Now till that time, take care. Bye bye. Thank you.